This video walks through the internal integration of portfolio planning and strategic planning. If you have an SPM standard license, you will use portfolio planning. If you have an SPM professional license, you will use strategic planning. Let's use the example of an SPM professional license holder integrating strategic planning. First, click the All tab in the navigation bar and type Strategic Planning in the open field. Of course, if you hold a standard license, you would type Portfolio Planning. Click Integrations in the drop-down. Click the ServiceNow internal link. On the resulting screen, click Generate Default Mapping Configuration. This will create internal integration between the SPM tables and the PPM table. Here we see that elements in the execution table sync with those in the alignment table. As a result, when I create demands, projects, ideas, or epics in PPM or in portfolio planning, they will be synchronized and available to one another. If you already have demands, projects, ideas, or epics on your instance, you have the option to import them all here. Click Import and you'll see the Create Import Request pop up. The from and to dates will be used to find records created between those dates. For instance, if you choose a January 1st from date and click OK, you will identify all demands, projects, etc. that were created between January 1st and July 3rd. The resulting screen shows that the request was created. Clicking on the link to each import request reveals details of what was imported. We've seen how to import tables in bulk. However, if you want to import one table, you can click on that individual table. You can then import that specific table. You see here all the mapped fields for the imported demand table. If you need to modify or add fields, please refer to the available strategic and portfolio planning documentation. Let's say you added new fields to the mapping and you want to re-import to bring those values to the planning item table. You now need to update system property. To do this, click All in the top navigation and type sysproperties.list in the open field and hit Enter. Search for a name containing bulk import in the open field by typing bulk import with an asterisk before. This reveals the bulk import property. Open that property and make sure you are on the right application scope to edit the record. The description states that an upsert setting under Value enables both update and insert of work items. Setting the Insert option under Value enables only the insert of new work items. You want to set the value to Upsert. Click Update in the upper right, and you are ready for bulk imports. You can now enjoy the benefits of strategic planning and portfolio planning integration.